Fl-ewwel indirizz tiegħu fl-Assemblea Ġenerali Tan-Nazzjonijiet Magħquda bħala Prim Ministru ta' Malta, Dr. Abela semma l-immigrazzjoni u kif qed tolqot lill-pajjiżna fi sfida globali oħra bla preċedent, jiġifieri l-pandemija COVID-19. Hawnhekk il-Prim Ministru Abela qal illi jekk xejn il-pandemija tal-COVID-19 għall-mitna kollha l-bżonn ta' solidarjetà illi tkun waħda globali fi kwalunkwe aspett.
Malta, as one of the frontline countries at the EU's external border, is faced every day with irregular crossings. These people want a better life, but my country is small, and our capacity to handle such flows is very limited. The European Union has this week launched its migration package, but the United Nations also has a major role in addressing this human and global challenge. It must work with its agencies and partners around the world to help people build a better life, so that less people are victims of people smugglers and lives are saved.
Il-Prim Ministru laqgħu wkoll il-fatt li l-Gvern Libjan immexxi minn Fayez al-Sarraj li hu rikonoxxut mill-Ġnus Magħquda ordna li jaqa' fil-ġlied f'dan il-pajjiż. Il-Prim Ministru semma wkoll il-ħidma id fit mal-Għaqda Dinja tas-Saħħa anki waqt il-pandemija. F'indirizz fil-75 Assemblea Ġenerali l-Prim Ministru tkellem ukoll dwar l-azzjonijiet fuqhom illi ħal Gvern Malti biex itaffi l-impatti soċjo-ekonomiċi tal-pandemija fuq is-saħħa u l-ekonomija. Semma fost l-oħrajn kif il-pakketti ta' għajnuna tal-Gvern salvaw eluf ta' postijiet tax-xogħol.
Today, Malta's employment rate has also exceeded both the national and the European Union headline targets for Europe 2020. As we look towards a new normal, Malta continues to work towards taking a human-centered approach to reform related to the world of work. Our priority for the upcoming period is to continue building on what has been achieved so far, by enhancing labour market access for all groups through continued upskilling, labour market incentives, and by facilitating the transitions towards labour market participation, as well as working towards promoting long-term employability.
Il-Prim Ministru tkellem ukoll dwar il-miri ambjentali ambizzjużi li għandu l-Gvern Malti biex ikompli jagħti kwalità ta' ħajja aħjar liċ-ċittadini ta' dan il-pajjiż.
This is why when we announced my country's long-term economic vision for 2050 a few days ago, we made it a point to include carbon neutrality as one of its pillars of our economic policy.
Il-Prim Ministru Abela temm ifisser il-pożizzjoni ta' Malta bħala pajjiż neutrali li jrid jippromovi il-paċi, l-ugwaljanza, is-sigurtà u s-solidarjetà soċjali. U tkellem dwar kif Malta se taħdem biex tiġi eletta bħala membru mhux permanenti fil-Kunsill tas-Sigurtà ta' Nazzjonijiet Uniti bejn l-2023 u l-2024.